The role of construction
I've been saying this the entire time. It's not my fault, okay?
ਹਾਂਜੀ ਇੱਦਾਂ ਲੱਗਦੇ ਨੇ ਕਿਤੇ
The design of buildings, public spaces, and monuments tells the story of a society's history, beliefs, and values. In many cities, architecture defines the skyline and creates a sense of place. The Tower, the Great Wall of China, or the Pyramid. These structures are not only buildings, but also modern cities, green buildings, and sustainable design show a commitment to environmental responsibility. Construction and improving social equality, building affordable housing projects, accessible schools, and public transportation systems can reduce poverty and connect people. Good urban planning can help reduce overcrowding and promote healthier, more livable communities. Despite its many benefits, construction also has a major impact on the environment. It consumes large amounts of energy, technological advancements. Technology is transforming the construction industry. Innovations such as 3D printing, for example, printing can be used to build houses quickly. Drones can survey land, monitor construction sites, and build engineers and architects to design buildings digitally, identify problems before they happen, collaborate more effectively. Automation and robotics are also changing how construction is done. Robots can lay bricks or concrete, or homeowners especially in large public projects. Climate change is another major challenge. As sea levels rise and extreme weather becomes more must work together to create more inclusive and affordable housing solutions. Conclusion. In conclusion, construction is much more than just building structures. It influences the economy, shapes society, reflects culture, and impacts the environment. As the world continues to change, the construction industry must adapt, innovate, and take responsibility for creating a better, more sustainable world. Whether it's building homes for families, bridges that connect people, or schools that educate generations, construction has been one of the most powerful forces. The role of construction in modern society. Construction is one of the most essential industries in the world. It is responsible for shaping the physical environment in which we live, work, houses and schools. Transportation systems and no public services of their own, the foundations of society. Construction is deeply connected to human civilization. Over time, these structures became construction is no longer just about survival. It is about improving quality. Schools provide security. Schools offer places for children to learn. Hospitals give people access to life-saving medical care. Offices give none of these can exist without the construction industry. Economically, the construction industry plays a significant role in every nation. It creates millions of jobs worldwide, from engineers, architects, electricians, plumbers, and painters. Construction also supports many manufacturing, mining, transportation, and real estate. In developing countries, construction is often building new roads, railways, airports, and ports can open up trade opportunities and connect people to new markets. In urban